In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change website name in Webflow. There are actually two different places where you might want to update the name of your site in Webflow. And it's important to know the difference. One is your internal project name, which helps you stay organized inside your Webflow dashboard. The other is your website title tag, which is what appears in the browser tab and can also show up in Google search results. I'll walk you through both so you can update the right one for your needs. First, let's change your internal Webflow project name. This is the name you see in your dashboard. And it's especially useful if you manage multiple websites and want to keep everything clearly labeled. Start by going to your Webflow dashboard and locating the correct workspace. Once you find the project you want to rename, hover over the project card and click the three dots. This opens a small menu with more options. From there, select Settings, which is marked with a gear icon when the Settings area opens. Make sure you are on the General tab. In that section, look for the Name field. This is where you can type your new internal project name. After entering the new name, click Save Changes in the top right corner. That's it. Your project will now display the updated name inside your Webflow dashboard. Now let's move on to changing your website's browser tab and SEO title. This part is different because it's not controlled from the main project settings. In Webflow, the title tag is usually set on each individual page. So if you want to update the title people see in their browser tab, especially on your home page, you'll need to edit that page directly. Open your project in the Webflow Designer, then go to the Pages panel on the left side of the screen. Find the page you want to update, such as your home page, and hover over it. Click the Settings gear icon for that page. Inside the page settings, scroll down until you see the SEO settings section. Look for the title tag field and enter your new website or page title there. As a best practice, keep this title concise and under 60 characters, so it displays more cleanly in search results and browser tabs. Once you've entered the new title, click Save Changes. After that, make sure you publish your site so the update goes live. If you skip publishing, the change may not appear on your live website. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.